Each of us is made uniquely. We have personalities, physical features, and other such elements that are distinctive. In the same way, we learn differently. Dr. Howard Gardner, a professor of education at Harvard University, researched our differences and produced 8 specific ways in which we learn, also known as multiple intelligences. Today we are going to explore the intrapersonal intelligence, also known as self-smart or self-reflection. Let's begin with the first portion of this word, intra. Intra means on the inside or within. In other words, intrapersonal intelligence is related to self-awareness and reflection. Rather than being outward like interpersonal, those who are strong in this intelligence observe, analyze, critique, and are aware of their own feelings, opinions, and preferences. Those who are intrapersonal tend to become philosophers, psychologists, theologians, lawyers, and writers. People with intrapersonal intelligence also prefer to work alone, or are introverts. They enjoy mulling over ideas and reflecting on possibilities. Although they do not raise their hand when in class, they enjoy sharing their unique insights when asked. They tend to be philosophical and perceived as perfectionists. In an education setting, it is important to not only recognize this intelligence, but also to find ways that students who are intrapersonal learn best. Intrapersonal learners do well when having to keep a journal or diary of what they have learned, or creating mind maps of a specific subject or focus. They do well when using metacognition techniques or engaging in higher order reasoning. When working in groups, it is important that they have a key role, as a recorder or perhaps a co-leader, or they may lose focus or become uninterested. They tend to do best working independently. In a day and age when technology is on the rise, it is important to consider how those who are intrapersonal can best use technology for learning. For those who are intrapersonal, according to Jane Carlson Pickering in the article Multiple Intelligences and Technology, a Winning Combination, she states that personal choice software, career counseling software, any self-paced program, and downloadable multimedia applets are types of technology that are better suited for the intrapersonal intelligence. An interesting fact about this intelligence is that those who are intrapersonal are often perceived as self-centered or disconnected from those around them. However, because of their own self-awareness, those who are intrapersonal have greater empathy for others. This is not often expressed, but there nonetheless. And although they tend to be introverts, they also enjoy poetry, theater, and other types of visual arts because it helps them to express their inner thoughts. They are individuals who are deep in thought, but rich in empathy. As educators, it is important that we become familiar, not only with the intrapersonal intelligence, but also the other 7. As we continue to explore them and ways to integrate these intelligences into our classrooms, we are likely to find our students engaging in greater ways and excited about learning.